And there have been massive protests over the toxic lakes in Bengaluru. BJP leaders and residents staged a protest between the Bellandur and the Agara lakes and were detained by the police. Pooja Prasanna joins us with more details. Yes, Pooja.
Well, there was a massive protest by both residents of Bellandur and the adjoining areas and BJP leaders against both BBMP council as well as the state government, asking for a concrete plan, both short-term and long-term, for the pollution in Bangalore's lakes, which is increasing by the day. In fact, as all media, including Times Now, has reported, the frothing in all these lakes, including Bellandur and Vattur, have made international headlines, and that is only a condition that is getting worse by the day. In the last couple of days, due to the rain that the city has seen, the froth is again coming onto the roads. So there was this massive protest that was taken out between Agara and Bellandur lakes in the southern part of Bengaluru, and the police not allowing the protesters to go any further, arresting several of them, including the local MLA Arvind Limbavali belonging to BJP.
Well, what are they? Were you able to speak to any of the residents? What are they saying? Has anything been done to try and reduce the levels of the toxins that are polluting the lake?
Absolutely not, and that is the biggest concern, that every time that the froth comes onto the road, now in fact that has become a daily affair. All the the local authorities do is come and just spray some water to ensure that the froth comes down, and that they do it only because of media pressure. Beyond that, even as a short-term measure, nothing is being done to stop the sewage that is flowing in from not just the residences around the lake, but also from industries. Several reports have come out, from ISP, from the Pollution Control Board, including, but nothing has actually moved the government into any kind of action. There have been promises that were made periodically from the Chief Minister and other ministers, but nothing has translated into action so far.